You like the snow? Whoa.
Oh, that's so cute.
He's trying to eat it. Quit eating that snow. Come on. Come on. He's so fast I can't keep up with him. Come on, quit eating that snow. Come on, you ready to go in? It's cold, buddy. Oh, what do you guys think? Too cold for you? Are you coming out? I think or Scout thinks it's too cold. Ranger. Hi, buddy. Do you want to go in? Guys, let's go in. It's cold. Great idea.